Did you watch the previous video? If you watched, this is the next part and it's a continuation of the same. As I said, I was building a to-do list app project. Now, without wasting time, let me show you where we had reached. This is where I had reached. Okay, let's continue. Now, I was to style this to-do app class, and I'm going to copy it, bring it to the CSS. I'll say dot because it's a class, and percent and max with it. I'll say something like 440 px, and background color, I'll choose white color, that is FF, and margin, I'll say margin to be 100 pixel out of and 20 pixel. I will give a padding, and this padding, I will say 40 pixel, 30 pixel, and 70 pixel. Now I will have a border radius so that we have a radius at the edge. So we are going to say border radius. And this one, I will say 10 pixel. Let me save this, show you the result. Server down here. Right, now it looks so nice. Now the next thing is to style my H2, and it is here. And I'm going to copy this one, and I will say dot to do app H2, and I will give it a color. This heading will have this color, and we use this color code. And display, I want it to be flex, like items. I'm going to align center and margin bottom space from bottom, and this space I will have it like 20 pixel, just like that. Now, can you confirm this from browser? How you see? Looks so nice. Let me continue to this image, and I will say put dot to do app H2 img, and this one I'll say with this image to be 30px, and margin left to be 10px, just like that. Now let me save this and check on our browser. Now it looks nice. Let me bring it so that you can see. Guys, this is where I've reached. In the next video, I'm going to add the button and some input fields. You're going to see that. Now, don't forget to watch that video. If you like this video, please consider liking and comment. If you need for you to comment, and let me know in the comment section if you like.